What's up everybody? In this video right here, we are going to be talking about a fragrance from Yves Saint Laurent. One fragrance that has been making quite a bit of noise in the community. So stay tuned and we'll hop right into it. Yo, what's up everybody? Bobby here and welcome to the Twilley'S 2 Cents channel. And please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell because now you will be alerted when I get to upload new content for you guys, and your support is always appreciated. So let's hop into the video. Welcome back to the video. Let's get right down to it. The fragrance that I'm going to be covering from Yves Saint Laurent is YSL's La Nuit de l'Homme Bleu Electrique. This fragrance is an aromatic, spicy fragrance. This was released in the year 2021, and the perfumer for this was Dominique Ropion. Dominique Ropion has contributed a lot of great fragrances to the fragrance community. One that I like very much in particular is Portrait of a Lady from Frederic Malle. Okay, so before we jump into the details of this fragrance, let's go over a little bit about the bottle. The shape of the cap and the shape of the bottle is reminiscent to the YSL L'Homme line and of course the La Nuit de l'Homme line. So what you're gonna get with this bottle, you're gonna get a plastic cap. This is a hexagon cap, which is kind of cool. And with this bottle, you'll notice that it's blue and black, but actually the bottle is a gradient black to clear color and the juice that's on the inside is blue. Very simplistic bottle, not really much to it. So let's go ahead and hop into how this thing smells and performs. This is a masculine fragrance. And to go ahead and hop into the notes, in the top we have cardamom, ginger, and bergamot. In the mid we have lavender and geranium, and in the base we have cedar and vetiver. Not a lot of notes in this one, but the notes that are in this one, they have done a great job at blending the notes that are in here to where this smells like a cohesive experience throughout, maybe with a little bit of extra kick on the initial spray due to the ginger and the cardamom. The YSL La Nuit de l'Hommes and some of the L'Hommes are usually referred to as cardamom bombs, which I can see because you definitely get that cardamom up top, a great spice with a bit of sweetness to it, and to me the lavender really pops in this as well, giving it a bit of a soapy vibe. When it comes to performance, this thing definitely projects and it has decent longevity. The projection on this, you're definitely going to pick up on the ginger and cardamom up top. Like I stated earlier, people should be able to smell you within an arm's length and a little bit outside of it. I would say that the height of this fragrance is between 4 to 6 hours. After that 6-hour mark, you can expect a skin scent. If I had to describe the feeling that this fragrance right here could arouse, I would say a feeling of freshness, elegance, and sophistication. Few situations that I would say that this one shines in would definitely be a date night, something that you could casually wear, you know, when you're out and about going to shop around, and probably pick up a compliment or two. But I would say that as far as like the office environment, I would probably stay away from this one because it's a bit strong with the ginger and spices up top. You're probably going to be taking out some noses in the office. But other than that, other than the office, is a pretty versatile scent one that can last throughout all the seasons. This so happens to be a fragrance that is widely accepted by the community because they refer to it as smelling or being close to the original La Nuit de l'Homme, the performance and strength that one had. Although I didn't get a chance to smell the original, I do like this one. When I first smelled it, I thought it was, you know, kind of basic. But as it set and as I came back to it, I actually like this a lot more now. So as far as the availability of this thing, you should be able to easily find this at a Macy's. One that you're gonna have a hard time finding this one is on the discount sites. When they do pop up on discount sites, they sell out super fast. But if you get lucky, sometimes Macy's runs a sale on this one. I'm not sure if they'll be doing it anytime soon, but if you can pick it up at a discounted price, go ahead and do it. But also, I think that this size right here is worth the retail price. So when it comes to giving La Nuit de l'Homme Bleu Electrique a rating on the recommendation scale, I have to give this one right here a 8.5 out of 10. So there you have it, a solid scent, one that I would definitely recommend, one that can almost be completely versatile except for the office, because I think it's a little bit too much. But this is something that's going to smell great. The spices are going to jump out. You're going to get that fresh soapiness from the lavender, something that's going to have you smelling very fresh, sophisticated, elegant. This is a good one. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you already tried this fragrance or have this fragrance, drop me some comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you enjoyed the video, also leave me a like or a dislike, drop some comments, stuff like that. And also check out one of these videos.